As a show owner or creative team member, you have the ability to save and publish changes made in the RehearScore app to all other users. On this screen, you'll see two unpublished changes that have been made to a song, which are ready to be saved and shared with the rest of the team. To do so, tap the three-dot icon in the upper right corner and select Save. Now, these changes are saved locally to your device only. To publish these changes to the rest of your team, tap the three-dot icon again and select Publish. A new message will appear prompting you to use local changes, meaning the edits saved to your device. Tap the button and finally the Publish button that appears after. Now, these changes have been shared across all devices currently assigned to your show title. Please note that cast members can only make changes that affect their own devices and cannot publish those changes to any other user.